Hi, it's Martin W. Bull, your Kangen Water guy. Today talking about the pH colors on the indicator that you get with your unit, as well as the one that you can buy from Enagic. A lot of people get confused around this because when they're testing the water, they're saying, oh, but it's not the same as this. What's really important to understand is that printing colors are printed in CMYK, which means that we can't get the exact color as what we may see on a screen or even when we're testing the liquids. But it's important to be aware that this is just a basic indicator. Okay, the true test is with a pH meter. I've got a video where I actually go through and do testing on my YouTube channel. I'll drop the link in the copy below. But the thing to be aware of is that this is just to give you some level of an idea as to what's going on with your water. Naturally, if your source water, so straight from your tap, is coming out around about 7.5 on here, so maybe it's like a turquoisey color, and it's still coming out the same color after it's come out with your ionizer, then we've probably not got a mineral in your source water. I talk more about how to test your ionizer in another video, but please understand in regards to these are just indicators to help give you some form of idea as to what's going on when you put the pH drops into the liquid. So hopefully that's given you a bit more understanding. As I said, to always test with a pH meter, especially if you're going down the road of the ORP. I only recommend PinPoint, PinPoint. That company, they're actually made by American Marine Supplies. So they're the meters that I use, that I recommend to people around the world. They've served me very well. So thank you for your time. Go and enjoy the rest of your day. If you want to learn more around the Enagic, Kangen Water, and the truth about both, feel free to search through more of my videos. Thank you for your time, and bye for now. Enjoying my YouTube channel? Please make sure you hit the subscribe button and notification bell to receive further value.